Yeah.
Who put this story in?
Must be Mo.
Vin. No.
Oh.
It's Vin. I don't know what's this.
Biden openly laughs.
It must be Vin.
Openly laughed at during White House National Hockey League presentation. Shout out all dare. What does he say? Oh, Mo can read the tweets live and give stock updates 24/7 the way Vin has his dream show.
It's not bad.
It's called Vin's Dream Show.
Right. I don't even like being on Twitter, and now
It's like
I have
Mo
to
reading.
read live tweets.
That's right. Okay, go ahead and play it. I don't know. Let's figure out what this is about.
I want to thank Commissioner Gary Batman for being here as well. And at the risk of stating the obvious here, it's a pretty good time to be in a sports.
You got to go back to the beginning. It's all right there. It was a mispronunciation. It was similar to the Iranian people. Go ahead, play it again.
Gary Batman
Gary
for being here
Batman.
as well. And
Everybody
risk of
behind.
Yeah.
stating the
Oh.
obvious here.
Well, because first of
Pretty
all,
good
there's an
time
ongoing
to
joke.
be in a-
Pause this. There's an ongoing joke like amongst players and the commissioner, whose name is Gary Bettman, where he's kind of like a, I don't even know, like not a villain, but they when they have like an awards event, everybody boos
Oh.
when he gets called.
Okay.
It's just like a meme.
Right.
Why?
You know what? Play a clip of how this works. Okay, so he shows up and everybody boos. You got to go to YouTube and just go Gary Bettman boo. Yeah, Gary Bettman attempts to stop the booing, but it's every time. It's at the draft. We need volume, obviously.
Whenever I come here, I admire the emotion and the passion. Wait, I have something for you, which I think will change the mood.
Oh no.
Oh no. This is gonna be cringe, isn't it? Oh, him leaving and they're cheering.
He comes back.
So that's so weird that this is the clip you chose. We were talking about those Sedin twins before the show started.
Wow.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Simulation
Wow.
of all the players. So
It's
those are
hard
two
to
players. You can
believe
pause it now.
that it's been
You can pause it now. So he was utilizing the Sedin twins in order, because he was in Vancouver. They play for Vancouver. You can't keep booing. But
Yeah.
it's a thing where the players and the fans have a funny relationship with him, almost like in wrestling, where you have the commissioner playing a role as a, what do they call it in wrestling? And people are gonna hate me right now. Anyone
an
who watches that.
announcer?
No, there's a name. Ariel Helwani's always a heel. They play the heel, sort of like the villain.
Oh, okay.
Like Vince McMahon?
Yeah, kind of like that. And I guess Bettman is sort of fills that role in NHL. And he doesn't, I mean, you can tell he minds, but not that much.
Yeah, he minds just enough that you can still laugh about
He's
it.
kind
but-
of, it's funny. He still has to do his job,
Yeah.
but he's still the commissioner. But anyway, so when he screws up his name, it's especially funny to NHL players, I guess.
Yeah.
As you can see in the background here, Gary Batman.
Oh, there it is.
Well, you know, it's this is going to be content for the next while. Shout out Adam. He cancels CNN Plus. Got YouTube Premium, downloaded Lou later, and listens as a coffee delivery service driver. He's also a part of the community. Go ahead, boys, and hashtag financial moves,
Moves?
like Mo moves.
Oh.
moves,
So
Cool.
that is, I mean, he's got everything in that comment.
Much love.
And love.
Yeah. I've said this a few times and it's just missed you. You've just said you just started a sentence. So you didn't get to really make a
But you and the much love. Like you
It's a lot of love.
you want to call them out every single time.
It's a lot of love right there.
Yeah.
It's much love.
Yeah.
Whole lot of love.